Hi, I'm John, and I'm the Director of Product here at RESAAS, the world's largest technology platform exclusively for real estate agents. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of responding to a referral on RESAAS. But before we get to how you would respond, I'd like to quickly talk about why you would want to. Referrals on RESAAS are typically created when an agent in our network has a client, friend, or family member who needs to do a transaction in an area they themselves do not service. For example, an agent might have a client who several years ago they helped purchase a home, and now that same client is looking for a vacation property outside the city. As the agent doesn't work in those areas, they would like to connect their client with someone who has experience and expertise in the desired market. This is where the RESAAS platform and our global network of real estate agents, including you, can help. The first thing we do when a referral is created is identify the agents who are most likely to be able to help and notify them that a referral is available. If this is you, you'll receive a notification through email, our mobile app, or text message, and that's your call to action. It will look something like this. It will contain some information about the referral, but to learn more and respond, just click here, and you'll land on another page that looks something like this. Now, this page may vary depending on your subscription level. Remember, agents with an ultimate subscription will get access first. But assuming you're able, tell the posting agent why you are the one who's best suited to help their client. That's how you can win their business. When it comes to these responses, I do have a few tips for you. First of all, act fast. Most of the referrals in the RESAAS network are awarded within hours of being published. That's where our ultimate users gain their biggest advantage. Second, write a good response. Explain your background and credentials to the agent. Why should they choose you? This is the first thing they will read when making their decision, and as we all know, first impressions are very important, especially in real estate. Next, and to be honest, this is something you should have done before you ever got that notification, but make sure your profile is complete and a good representation of who you are as an agent. And if you have listings, be sure to add those and keep them up to date. Not only does this expose your listings to the entire RESAAS network, it is also a great way to showcase your business to those who might work with you. One final thing. After you've submitted your response, watch your inbox. Many agents will want to ask you questions or talk to you personally before making a final decision. If you do receive a message, respond promptly. As I said before, referrals tend to get awarded quickly and agents may not wait around long. A fast response is always a good reflection of who you are as an agent. From here, to be honest, it is a bit of a waiting game. The posting agent will need some time to review the responses, but once that decision is made, you'll be notified whether you've been selected or not. If you don't win this one, don't worry, there will be more opportunities. If you are selected, congratulations! You should now see the referral in the awarded section of your dashboard. The details view seen here provides all the current referral information, as well as tools to record status updates and a chat box to easily communicate with the posting agent. One thing to note, you may start to receive regular requests from our system to provide updates on the status of your work with the client. They look something like this. Providing the update is easy. Just click whichever one best represents where you are. Even if nothing has changed, it only takes a second and it helps keep everyone on the same page. If there's more to share, you can add a note, but that's not required. The update is saved as soon as you click. We do this because referring agents like to know their client is being taken care of, but of course, every client and every transaction is different. If you find the update requests are too frequent, you can ask the referring agent to modify the schedule. Just shoot them a note via instant message or include one as part of your update. Well, that's it for today. Once again, I'm John, Director of Product at RESAAS. Thanks for taking the time to learn about our referral engine, and be sure to keep an eye out for upcoming videos on managing your referral business, including features like our digital referral agreements. And for any brokers out there, Broker OS, which is our solution to let you manage the referral business of your entire team, including sending and receiving those much sought after referral fees with RESAAS Pay.